Hello students, let us read this question. Fill in the blanks. So we have given statement and we have to fill in the blanks with the appropriate answer. So let us read the first question. If two angles are complementary, then the sum of their measures is dash. So first, let us understand what do we mean by, and the second question says that if two angles are supplementary, then the sum of their measure is dash. And third is if two adjacent angles are supplementary, then they form a dash. So let us first understand what do we mean by complementary and supplementary angles. So complementary angles are the pair of angles for which sum is 90 degree, and supplementary angles are also pair of angles for which sum is 180 degree. So for complementary angle, sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, and for supplementary angles, the sum is 180 degree. So the first question says that if two angles are complementary, then their sum measure is dash. So we can say that therefore if two angles are complementary, angles are complementary, or we can write here that first question we are talking about complementary angle, so the sum will be 90 degrees. So for first the answer will be 90 degree. We can write here that the answer is 90 degree. For the second, we are talking about if two angles are supplementary, then their sum is, so we have seen here that supplementary are the angle for which sum is 180 degree. So we can say that it will be 180 degree. And for the next, we have given two adjacent angles are supplementary. So let us draw. So suppose we have two angles, angle 1 and angle 2. And we have given that angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. By the definition of supplementary angle, we can say that sum of these two angles will be equal to 180 degree. So we can see that by looking at the diagram, we can see that it is forming a, so the sum will make us the sum will be equal to 180 degree. So it is forming a linear pair. So the answer for this question will be a linear pair. We can write here they form a linear pair. So I hope you have understood it well, and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.